Tubular Network is the fastest, most energy efficient form of delivery on planet Earth. We use robots to move goods in tubes. The vision became very clear of a citywide delivery utility and the right place to get started in those cities is manufacturing campuses. So replacing all those short trucking routes, all the movement of materials inside those large warehouses, those are things that we can automate. We are moving aerospace parts for a company in Texas, and it took them 8 hours to move those goods between buildings. We installed a tube and now robotically deliver those in 1 minute. 8 hours to 1 minute was a pretty big operational change. But realistically, it meant that their very small team could now do so much more. And from a sustainability perspective, we took a diesel truck off the road on their campus. So 0 carbon emissions for that route that we replaced. The vision of Tubular Network is citywide delivery utility. So you order something on your phone, it shows up 5 minutes later. Similar to how the internet made information more available, Tubular Network is gonna make goods more available. Today, we have a delivery driver and it takes days or hours. The last mile is terrible. People steal stuff off my porch. It's just very painful. And we're gonna take 30% of traffic off the roads. I mean, what a beautiful world that'll be. The city will operate much more efficiently and in new ways because of this platform for logistics. Newlab is where hardware companies go to make things. For hardware, it's hard. You need a different ecosystem of partners, of collaborators, of peers. Interesting conversations happen here, and many are spontaneous. We've met half of our customers from meetings that started in this building. One of the reasons that we are growing our presence here at Michigan Central and here in Detroit is because of the Michigan Central Scale Fund. So we had an automotive customer that was ready to work with us, but we needed to prove our technology for their payloads, and we needed a place to do it. Michigan Central Scale Fund was crucial in helping us unlock this relationship with customers that I don't know how it could have worked out otherwise. And as we install tubular networks in the automotive manufacturing space in Michigan, we will be growing our operations as Tubular Network here. So hiring more folks to come work in Detroit, engineering, support, maintenance, like a lot of operations are gonna be built up around the business that's gonna be built here that all started with that scale fund.